Hello and welcome to this CompuKids course. In the next few lessons, we are going to be learning how to build a game called Recycling with Sibo. In this game, we are going to be using custom assets or sprites that you can download from the CompuKids e-learning system. To do this, check out the instructions on the Getting Started page and sign up for a free account. On the e-learning system, you'll find a download link for sprites.zip. Once it's downloaded, click on the folder, click Extract All, and finally click Extract again. Now you'll see a new folder called Sprites, and inside it a list of all the sprites that we're going to be using in this course. Now let's head back to Scratch. The first thing we're going to do is delete the cat. So right click on him and say delete. Next, we're going to import one of our own sprites. To do this, we're going to click on Upload Sprite from File and click on the Open Glove and hit Open. Let's start adding in some code for this glove. We want the glove to follow our mouse pointer around the screen and grab little pieces of dirt that are going to be falling from the screen and place them into the correct bins. To do this, we're going to head over to Events and start off with a When Flag Clicked. Next, we're going to head over to Control and get a Forever. Now we're going to head over to Motion and get a Go to mouse pointer. Let's test our work so far. We click the green flag and you can see that the glove will follow our hand all over the screen. Next, we want the hand to switch costumes every time we click, so it looks like it's grabbing something. To do that, we're going to head over to Control again and we're going to look for a piece called If Then Else and place that inside the forever underneath the mouse pointer. Next, let's head over to Sensing and we're going to look for a piece called Mouse Down. Grab this piece and place it inside this little diamond shape. We're telling Scratch that whenever the mouse is down or whenever we click the mouse button, it needs to switch to the costume, the glove closed costume. So to do that, we head over to Looks, click on Switch Costume to, and place this inside the if part. But we only have one costume, so we need to add in the costume for the glove closed. To do that, we head over to Costumes on the tabs, on one of the three tabs on the top, click on Upload Costume from File, and we're going to click on Glove Closed and hit Open. Now let's head back to Scripts, and in our Switch Costume to piece, we can click this tiny black arrow right at the end, and now we can see Glove Open and Glove Closed. So click on Glove Closed. Now every time we click the mouse button, the glove is going to close, but then we need it to open again. So click on Switch Costume to and put this underneath the else part of the if then else, and we're going to click the little black arrow and click Glove Open. Let's test this out. We click the green flag, our glove follows us around, and when we click, the glove closes. There's just one final piece we need to add. When we add more assets or sprites into our game, we want the glove to always stay right on top of everything else. To do that, we're going to grab a Go to Front from the Looks tab and place that underneath the When Flag Clicked.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.